In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut's text-to-speech AI characters. This is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to enhance their video projects with automated voiceovers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to capcut.com. This is the website where we'll be working our magic today. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It'll make finding the tools you need that much easier. Now, when you're ready, look for the All Tools section. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options available for your creative projects. With the tools at your fingertips, our next step is to locate the text-to-speech option. You'll find this under the Magic Tools section. Clicking here will bring you to the tool that will allow you to transform written text into spoken word, a great feature for adding a professional touch to your videos. Now that we have the text-to-speech tool open, it's time to either write your own script or, if you're in a bit of a creative rut, press the /# key to use the AI writer. This option can help generate content if you're looking for inspiration or need a starting point. Whether you're crafting your own words or using AI assistance, ensure the text suits the tone and style of the project you're working on. Once your text is ready, it's time to add some personality to your speech. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a list of available AI characters. Each character brings a unique voice and style, so take your time to explore and choose one that best fits the vibe of your project. Remember, picking the right AI character can significantly impact how your message is perceived, so choose wisely. After selecting your AI character, click on the Generate button. This step will convert your written text into speech using the chosen AI voice. Make sure to listen to the generated audio once it's ready to ensure it meets your expectations. You might find that small adjustments to the text or a change in the AI voice can make a significant difference in the final output. And that wraps it up. You've successfully used Capcut to breathe life into your text with their engaging AI voices. With these voices, you can make your video projects more engaging and professional. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps bring your creative visions to life. Happy editing!